Devi Mahagauri is a calm, beautiful form of goddess Parvati who is extremely beautiful and radiant. She is worshipped on the 8th day of Navratri Puja and it is graceful among the 9 Durgas. As her appearance is golden and illuminating, she clears negative forces and thoughts from her devotees and offers her divine grace upon them. Devi Mahagauri is depicted with a fair complexion like that of a conch or jasmine. She has 4 arms. Her upper right hand holds a trident and her lower right hand in Varamudra. Her upper left hand holds a damuru, that is hand drum, and her lower left hand in Abhaya Mudra, which abolishes fear from the minds of her worshippers. She is adorned with jewelry and a huge headdress which adds to her grace and beauty. She rides on a bull and her majestic golden appearance symbolizes prosperity and abundance. According to mythology, goddess Parvati as Brahmacharini underwent severe penance to have Lord Shiva as her consort, due to which she turned dark and infirm. Seeing her perseverance and pure devotion, Lord Shiva agreed to marry her and washed her with holy water from the Ganges. Upon this, her complexion turned golden and radiant. Since then, she is called Mahagauri. Another version of story is that after Ma Ratri had defeated Chanda, Munda and Raktabij, her skin had turned black. Shiva, on the advice of Brahma, teased her by calling her Kali. Enraged, she prayed Brahma to get fair skin back. Brahma advised her to bathe in Manasa Sarovara river. When she did that, her black skin separated from her body to become a female form, Kaushiki, and Parvati herself became fair again. It was Kaushiki who eventually killed Shubha Nishubha, thus bypassing their boons that no man, demon, god, or deity could kill them. Devi Mahagauri is mostly worshipped by women for auspiciousness and prosperity in a festival called Gauri Habba. The festival is celebrated all over India for both abundance of crops and seeks protection for her female devotees. Adoring Devi Mahagauri on the 8th day of Navratri Puja by offering special rituals and chanting mantra can bestow fertility, health, and wealth. As goddess Parvati got married to Lord Shiva after severe penance, unmarried girls worship Mahagauri on this day to get suitable partners. Offering banana and coconut to Devi Mahagauri on the 8th day of Navratri Puja can bless you with your desire and divine happiness. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to leave a comments below.